Okay, so I've gone through the first variation of the half squat stretch. Now this is variation 2. So this one's a little bit more difficult, which is why you'll notice that I've put it in the later stages of the program. So you might see it appear in week 2 or week 3, just because it's slightly more difficult and is more taxing on the body and the legs. So give this one a go, and if you can't get it straight away, don't worry, but we can build into it. So for the second variation, what you want to do is set yourself up the same as the first variation. So you have your position here, just like we went through before. You have the ball of the foot on the floor, heel is up off the floor, this leg is dead straight, toes are pointing to the ceiling. But the only difference, and this might seem like a small thing, but it makes a big difference, is with variation 2, with this foot that's on the floor, you now want to sink back and put this heel on the floor. So now the heel is on the floor, and I'm now targeting the hamstrings on this leg as well as this leg. Now this one is also a little bit harder to balance, so again, it's fine if you lose your balance on the first few attempts, you'll get there. Again, same thing applies to this one. Make sure this leg is straight, toes are pointed upwards, and if you want a slightly more difficult variation, again, you can reach forwards for these toes with this hand. Make sure you do both sides, so we're going to switch here, because it's very important that we do both sides on all stretches. And that was the half squat stretch, variation 2.